Okay, we're on number 4 of the review. Number 4. Now we've already done a position versus time graph and a velocity versus time graph for constant velocity. Guess what we're going to do now? We are going to draw a distance versus time graph. Okay, so let me get my axes set up. My distance versus time graph of acceleration. What is acceleration going to look like on this graph? Well, we got to think about that. Well, what is it going to mean? I mean, if, let's say, this one right here, right? That was constant. What's acceleration? Well, what does acceleration mean? It means I change my speed. I change my velocity, right? So how would I change my speed or velocity of this line? Yes, Roscoe, it would curve. It would curve, right? So this is how I want you to think about it. I'm going to erase this real quick. This is how I want you to think about this. Think about the slope of the line. That's a slow velocity, right? You're not going far in a lot of time, right? Think about this as a fast velocity, right? This is kind of like a medium velocity. And this is in between that. All of these are speeds, different speeds, distance over time, right? That's the velocity of this. Well, if I want to start slow and get fast, this is what it looks like, right? If I start slow and get fast, this is what it looks like. Time, distance, start slow, get faster and faster and faster and faster. This shows acceleration. Acceleration. I cover more and more distance, right? With each second that goes by. I'll start slow, and then I'll get faster and faster and faster. That is acceleration on a distance versus time graph. Yeah? When you see that curve, you should know on a distance versus time graph, right? Yeah, this is acceleration. But is this the only graph of acceleration? No. Acceleration looks different depending on what graph you're looking at. Distance versus time or velocity versus time. This one right here, definitely acceleration. Upload your graph of distance versus time on axes, acceleration in the positive direction. Also, it doesn't have to be positive, right? Acceleration could be negative. It could be deceleration. And this is what that looks like, right? This is what that might look like. I might be going fast, and then I might slow down. This is the opposite, right? If this is acceleration, this is deceleration. When you see these curved lines, right, on the distance versus time graph, that means your velocity is changing, your speed's changing. Right here, this blue line right there, just like you just drew with me, that it needs to be uploaded. That is your acceleration. This is deceleration, acceleration in the negative direction. Upload that for me. That is question number 4. Thank you.